Hey beauties, it's Daisy and I'm back with another video. Today we have a body wave Upart wig and it's super gorgeous. It looks so natural. You guys are gonna love it. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then make sure you keep on watching. Today's hair is from Asteria Hair. They sent me a whole bunch of scarves along with the wig that are super cute. This hair is amazing straight out the packaging. The curl pattern had a strong hold. I just added a little bit of curls, which you guys will see. And this hair was bomb. I wore it for a few days, so trust me, this review is on point. Hey beauties, it's Daisy. I just took out some of my braids here. I got some on the side and the back here. I had my full head braided for my lace wigs, but now we are going to do a U-part wig. So I took some of the hair out. I love these because these are so easy to install. I'm just going to cut off this little lace in the front here. Just going to measure the parting space. So it's on the smaller side, so I'll just stop it. See, like right here. So don't mind my hair because I do need to wash it after I'm done with this. I'm just gonna tuck the rest of this back. Gonna tuck the back in now. You want to make sure it's not too tight. This is too tight for me, so you just adjust it to where it feels comfortable. Sorry if y'all hear my baby snoring, like she is knocked out. I'm trying to knock this video out in the morning, and I'm like, okay, she's asleep, but now I just hear her snoring. So please ignore the snoring. Look at this. This is so pretty. So I took a little break and actually took a nap, so I messed up the curls, but I'm coming back to do them for you guys. I am just gonna spray a little bit of luster on the hair just to give it a little bit of shine. And you want a little bit of oil just to activate the hair once you're curling it so you can get that perfect curl pattern. And I'm just using my wand curler. It's about 1 inch wide. So that is what I'm gonna use just to get these curls. And when I am curling my hair, I'm just gonna add a little bit of section of my natural hair once I'm curling it so everything can just blend perfectly. Now I did just take out a few braids from my previous install, so my hair is a little bit dry. I actually washed it after this video, but this is the perfect style, you know, just when you're on the go and you want to look natural, but you want to have a little bit of length. A U-part wig is the perfect wig to get, and it blends in really well with my hair. It doesn't look like it right now because I'm not done, but you guys seen the beginning how it looked. This wig is just amazing. Just stay tuned and see how I get this wig to look how it needs to look. now that the curls are done, I am just combing my natural hair in with this wig so I can make everything blend. There is a little line towards my parting space because I have a little bit of new growth going on. I should have straightened it a little bit more, but it looks good. Everything is bomb. You do want to use smaller braids when you are doing a Upart wig or whatever. I could have used some smaller braids so it could have looked more flat on the top, but everything came out good. You know, tell me what you guys think. I love the way that this hair curled. It looks super pretty. I love the length. This wig is 22 inches with 180% density, and like I said, no shedding or tangling, so you will not be disappointed if you do purchase this wig. Everything about it is flawless. This is my everyday wig, especially when I want like a more natural look. It reminds me more of a sew-in. I actually used to wear sew-ins a lot before I started getting into wigs, so this is just bringing me back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. And again, I want to thank Asteria Hair for sending me this and you guys for watching. So until my next video, I will see you later.